Siren Jackson here. So I just ordered a ribbon rack from Kevin Howman at Kevin Howman Woodworks. You've probably seen him on TikTok, but I'm fascinated with watching him. I like to get on his lives every now and then when I can. Well, mine came in, and let me show you. I couldn't really decide where to put it, so I decided to just put it in a little bar area here, and there it is. Yeah, that's my racks. Now, that is actually level. I'll put a level on there and everything, but yeah, I think it's great. Only 2 rays. He does a lot of nice ribbon stacks and stuff like that. But this is just mine. And I think it's going to look good in the bar area. What do you think? So if you think that sweet ass, hit up Kevin Howman. Now, look at this. These are not painted. Every little line, every stripe of this ribbon. Let's take the Navy Marine Corps Achievement Medal. That's a single piece of wood. The orange, single piece of wood. The green, and so forth and so on. Everything is a single piece cut of wood and stained. And these stars, those are 3D printed wood. Excellent job. So, hell, that's not even an impressive rack, but look him up. He does damn good shit, man. Semper Fi. Thank you, Kevin. Semper Fi.